guys, okay, so I got this slime from Salish Matters, and I'm gonna be opening it with you guys, so let's get to it. Okay. Salish! It's Salish. Okay. So let's unbox this. My friends come in at 7:30. So I'm excited. So I'm gonna go to her house. She's gonna pick me up and we're gonna have a good time. Okay guys, so we're gonna open this. Now opening. Okay guys, so we got the first tape off. Slide. Okay, now we're gonna do the second one. Pretty hard, guys. So. Sorry guys. Yeah, that was kind of cringe, but it's okay. This is so hard to open. Okay, got it. Okay, so boys, it is almost open. Just lastly. Okay, so we're done with that. And now it's time to open it. I'm so excited. Okay, so I'm gonna open from this side, I think it is. Yeah, I think I'm. No, I ripped it. Oh no. Oh no. I accidentally ripped it. Oh, it's because there was another tape. Never mind, guys. There's still this one. And then it's gonna be opened. This is hurting my nails. Beautiful, delicate nails. Okay, I think I got it. No. Okay, yeah, I got it. 3, last rip. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Oh. It's okay. This might not be the best opening, but it's okay. It's not like I'm keeping the box, but okay, we're opening it. Oh my gosh, yeah. It's Salish Matters. It's Salish. Okay, so I got the cloud slime. Okay, first pack, second pack, and that. And third pack. And then we have this, and then we have these little cute, like dolphin and sea ocean and stuff. And then we have the glitter that we're gonna add into it. This is step 5. Yeah, this is step 5. And then, lastly, the most important part, the slime. Second slime, where to put it in. The container where we're gonna put the slime. So, step 1. I think this is step 1. So we're gonna put this into our little container. Into our little container. We're gonna put it into here. So this is just for it to like show and be cute and all glossy and things. So we're gonna put it into here. Okay. Oh, shoot. Okay, I got it. Oh, that smells good, guys. You want to smell it? It smells good, right? Yeah. Yeah, it smells really good. Yeah. Okay. Oh. Okay, I got it out. Not all of it, though. Oh. Thank you.
Welcome.
Guys, this feels so good. Like, oh, it smells so good too. Oh my gosh, I can't stop getting over about the smell. Like, it smells so good. It smells like kind of like coconut, but then like not really. Like, I don't know how to explain what it smells like. Like, I don't know. Guys, I have a different gooey slime, but it's from like not the one with Salish, because Salish only started like a few
She's
weeks
obsessed
ago.
with Salish.
I'm not that obsessed.
You watch it every day.
No, I don't. I barely have watched her in a long time. Like 2 weeks ago.
Like 2 hours ago.
No, like I didn't even get to watch anything today. Guys, this looks so cool. Good. Okay, so now that we have our slime, let's roll it up into a ball. Not like, yeah. Never mind. Just. Anyway, so we're rolling it up into a little ball. Like this. Like that. Okay. It's in our thingamajiggy, our bowl thingamajiggy thing. Sorry, guys. Wait, was that step 2? Wait, guys. Oh, no, sorry. It's because it's 2 different colors. It's a white and a blue. So we're putting it in the blue now. My favorite color is baby blue, but it's okay. I still like blue because that's like basically baby blue. Like baby blue isn't really like, it's like a color, but like it's basically just blue. Just like more like very, very like a pastel-ish blue. I do like pastel blues though too. So okay, now we're gonna take it out. Comment down below if you guys have a gooey slime. I don't know why they call it gooey. Like, sorry that I'm so quiet, guys. Guys, today I didn't get to watch TV at all because I had a competition, a gymnastics competition, and I got 3 6th place and 1 8th, and one what is it again? And 1 5th place, yeah. So I got 3 last places. And then I got 1 second last place.
Level.
What?
What level?
Level 6. Why did I sound like so like sad when I said that? I was like level 6. Like okay guys, so we're gonna put it into there. Okay. It's very stretchy, like look how stretchy that is. I'm obsessed. Mom, Salish isn't even my favorite YouTuber. I don't even have a favorite YouTuber actually.
But you watch her a lot, that's what I mean.
Guys, like,
Let's be honest.
I am.
What do you watch the most?
I don't know.
I know.
Yeah, well, you don't actually. Actually, guys, how in the picture they make it look like so good? Like, wait, is there another thing in here? No, it's just that the box is so heavy. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty, guys. Look at how pretty that is. Guys, comment down below if you guys have a Salish Matters gooey slime or just a gooey slime. If you guys have a Salish Matters gooey slime or just a regular gooey slime, because I have a regular one and Salish Matters one that I'm opening to you guys. My other one is in my room right now, so we're just stretching it just to make sure. Guys, it's not even showing the white part. Like, where is the white in here? Just turned into like a light blue color. It's okay. I like light blue, so. Okay, so now let's roll it into, let's make it into the shape of a, no, let's make it into the shape of a ball. Okay. And then let's flatten it. Not that much. Quite a lot like this. And then you put it in here. You put it in sideways. That's how I did it. And then it looks like that. This is a really pretty blue. Like, kind of looks like baby blue, actually. It's so pretty. Okay, next up, let's look for step 2. Okay, step 2 is this that we're going to be adding in. I don't know what it helps with or does, but ASMR. Okay. So I just opened it. Now we're going to put it in. It's like a different slime. Guys, comment down below if you guys know if I'm doing it right. Because I think I am. I don't know. Actually, guys, like, take out the blue slime that you put, actually. Take it out because I accidentally did it wrong. So after that, after you put, like, after the blue is done, you're gonna actually take it out. Sorry, you don't have to put it in. Just stretch it if you can. Stretch it so that it's like nice and stretchy and smooth. Smooth, not smooth. Smooth for this one to go in. So let me grab a little more. Okay, I think that's good. Now we're gonna put it with the rest of the yellow slime. Okay, so we got our yellow like slime here. It looks so cool. It's so pretty. I like this yellow, it's so cute. Then you're gonna put it into here, I think. Hopefully I'm not ruining the slime. Then you're just gonna stretch it and just keep on stretching. If this turns out as a blue and yellow slime, then you're gonna be having a blue and yellow slime, and yeah. I think you just need to mix it around a lot. Yeah, I think this is turning into a blue and yellow slime, like a blue and neon slime. Oh no, it's getting red. Kinda. You just gotta stretch it and stretch it, and overlay, and overlaying, and overlaying. Now it looks like a greenish color, like a tealish green color, but it's actually really pretty. Like, look at it. It's so pretty. So pretty. Okay, so I'm just gonna speed this up, so yeah. Okay, We're almost done. This is so hard. Okay, guys, so I think that it's actually nice and good now because it looks good to me. So this is what's in my slime. What's in my slime? What is in this? What? I am speaking. Okay, anyways, guys. Okay, so this is what it's gonna look like after. If you do it my way, because I did it my way. Do you guys know that song from Cat's Eye? Comment down below if you guys like Cat's Eye. So pretty. Oh my gosh, I love it. And guys, the cool thing about the cup is that it acts as about it is that you know how mine just says gooey gooey. But this one actually says gooey gooey by Salish. So it's actually a special cup so that people know it's by Salish. So yeah. Okay, so next after step 2, let's look for step 3. Step 3, step 3, step 3, step 3. This was step 3. Okay. Step 3 are the beads. I think it's supposed to like I'm just gonna keep the beads like this, and then step 4 is this. What is this? I wonder what it is. Okay, let's open it. I don't do step 3 because I like to put the beads like after I'm done everything, and then it'll like look more pretty and things. So shoot. Why can't I open this? I think it's because my hands are so like quickly. Thanks. Okay, I got it. Okay. So here is step 4. ASMR. Okay, so you guys can take a little sneak peek before me because I don't know what it is. I think it's the bigger charm. I can't tell, but yeah. Oh yeah, it's the bigger charm. Oh, why did I take it out? It's fine. But it's really cute. It's a little dolphin. Swim, swim, swim. Okay. Anyways, so we skipped step 3. We're on to step 4. And now we're gonna do my favorite part. Glitter, 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 glitter. I love glitter. It's messy, but it's fun. Oh, says it needs scissors, so let me go get some scissors. Be right back. Okay, guys, so I got it open. So now we're gonna be pouring in. Favorite part. Does it open like this? Why isn't it opening? Oh, there we go. Okay. Oh, it's too light. No, not enough. Oh, cut that open a little more. Okay, there we go. Why isn't it opening? Oh no, no, no. Oh no, oh no. Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no. Guys, why isn't this opening? Do I seriously need to cut it like this low? Oh no, no, no. That's where the glitter is. Ow. Guys, I'm taking out my hair from competition, so. Mom, it's not opening. What are you using?
Huh?
What is this?
Trying to figure out how else.
Isn't this like...
There's Zoom.
Oh, guys, my friend's here.